Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to duplicate a scene on the Vimeo Create application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page and click on the Start from Scratch button at the top, and then select a video or a photo from your gallery that you would like to edit. Tap on it and then click on the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then if you would duplicate this picture or a video clip or a scene, all you have to do is clicking on this three dots icon that you can find down below in this box at the top of the screen, including your picture in the left side corner of the screen. So tap on it and you are going to find this duplicate scene button in the middle of this box. Tap on it and here you will be able to find your scene duplicated. As you can see it here, it's divided. So if you would like to delete one of these scenes, all you have to do is clicking on this three dots icon again, and you can either hide it or delete it. So tap on the relevant button and it will be hide it or delete it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.